So, hi, woman. This is a very, 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 very special video for you and watch till the end. So, woman, you have sent your kids to school now, your husband to office, packed the dabbas, and now maids have come, cleaned your house. Now, what to do? Okay, so now maybe you're watching the Insta reels, tuck, 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 and you did not recognize it. Ki it's been like 2 hours now, and you have been watching the reels and engrossed in it. And now maybe lunchtime has come, kids have come back from school, and you are now serving them food, and then again taking care of the kids, maybe taking care of the in-laws, and then you ask yourself, hey, am I stuck? Knock knock. Okay, and you are stuck in this vicious circle every day. Now I want to ask you, really, really, have you ever felt like this, stuck? Like you are watching the world moving ahead, but you feel frozen in time. Still you are working, but then you feel like frozen. And this happens for millions of women around the world. And this is reality. You had careers, you were leaders, you were independent, and then life happened. And when you try to return to your financial independence, you are met with silence. Like, yeah, when you, even if you apply, you get the job rejections, and people ask you, why did you take a break? And as if break is like, wipe away all the previous experience you had. But what they don't tell you that is that a break does not mean the end. And today we are going to prove it. Do you know what is more powerful than skills, more powerful than degrees? You know what it is, that what is that? Confidence. So, why do so many women they lose confidence after a break? Let's be true to this fact. Because they hear a lot. Hear from the society that you are less now. Okay? And they hear from the same society that wow, my God, you have to start from the scratch. But let me tell you the truth. Studies show that women tend to doubt themselves more than men, even when they are equally qualified. They apply for jobs only when they meet 100% of the JD or 100% of the requirements. But you know what about men? They apply even if they meet 60%. Confidence is not about how good you are, but how much you believe in yourself. So, woman, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up, because confidence is built, not gifted. Okay, imagine there is a woman in the supermarket, and she's just checking the prices of the items and then putting things back on the shelf. She looks uncomfortable using her husband's credit card, and this happens for real. This happens for real, right? For many women, a career break is not just about work, it's about money also. And when the money stops coming in, something inside them changes. Okay, if you take back, flashback that same woman years ago, you'll see that that same woman is happily shopping with her own salary, and now she hesitates before spending. Correct. So studies show that the women who become financially dependent on their partners, on their father, on their brothers, they start losing confidence in decision making. They start asking, can I buy this? Instead of saying, yeah, I earned this. So women who stop earning feel like lost, feel like invisible while taking the financial decisions. And this whole thing affects their confidence, their savings, even their relationships. So every area is affected in that sense when they are not earning the money, in terms of health, wealth, relationships, career. Okay, money to hai. So the thing is that you need to know this, that financial independence for a woman is very important. It is not about money, it is all about power. power. So you can start rebuilding that power today. Do you want to build that? This the woman whom we talk about, who went to the supermarket, and we flash back. Now the same woman can take a small step, small action every day. So what she can do is she can start an online freelance project. She can start earning her first paycheck again. Okay, so that her smile returns, so that she can work on her own thing, she can look into her inner self, she can self love herself. Even before even after earning or before earning, she can start self love. And that is the first step. Now let us understand another perspective when a woman goes for the interview after a career gap. Now, the hiring managers, he raises the eyebrow. Oh my God, you have a gap. So there is a 3 year gap. What were you doing? So the woman instantly looks very nervous. Okay. So this is what every woman fears, that gap question. And in most cases, men are not asked for that question. So, another thing is that studies say that 85% of the women say their career break affected the hiring decisions. And you know what? You need to know how to answer this question strategically. You don't need to apologize or be sorry about it. Own it, guys. You say during this time I managed certain freelance projects. You can say that I multitasked. I learned a new skill. And you can say that now, given that I've learned those skills, now bringing them back, these skills, to the corporate world, and I'm keen to learn and I'm keen to succeed. Trust me, this statement is so powerful that I'm keen to learn, that when I was a recruiter, I hired a woman because she said this. And it was on the confidence of coming back to the work was on her face, and her keenness to come back, and that showed her resilience. Okay, so successful women, they say that my career break taught me so many things, taught me leadership, taught me patience, taught me resilience. Okay, and today if I use this skill in my job, then I can bring more value to your business, more value to the employer. Okay, now let's understand the power of visualization. Now imagine that you are a superwoman. You are a superwoman. You are stepping into the office, signing the offer letter, leading the meetings, handling a big team. Now, this visualization itself is so powerful that the truth is that when you visualize this, your comeback stories actually seems to be true, seems to be written somewhere. Okay, and the woman is like across the world, they have done a lot, they have achieved a lot. And you can also, right? Like, have you heard about Oprah Winfrey, Indira Nooyi? And these are the powerful women who actually faced a lot of setbacks, a lot of failures, but then they rose again. Do not let the society or the self doubt or the fear come to your way. Okay, they cannot, the fear and the self doubt and the society and the people around you, they can't decide your story. They are different from what you are facing. So just don't feel like being behind. Come in the forefront. Just do it. So if you are watching this video, I'm sure you are thinking, I can do it. And you can do it. So you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fearless. You don't need to be like having the self doubt. You just need to take one step. What it is beautifully said, that success is messy, and you just need to take that messy actions every day towards your goals. And if this message actually touched you, share it with the woman who needs to hear this. And if you are ready to restart your career, drop a yes in the comments, and your story starts now.